Okay, let's dive right in. Are you living in Tippecanoe County and want to save some serious time by paying your property tax online? Well, you are in the absolute right place. Let's simplify this whole process together.
Because seriously, nobody likes waiting in long lines or stressing about a check getting lost in the mail, right? Taking control of this process online doesn't just save you a trip downtown to the treasurer's office, it gives you that immediate peace of mind by having an instant digital tracking system for your payments.
To get us there, we are going to break this down into 5 easy steps. The basics, navigating the portal, making a secure payment, those absolutely crucial deadlines, and finally, some helpful tips and FAQs.
All right, starting off with Section 1, the basics of property taxes. Before we even open a web browser, let's get our documents together.
Preparation is absolutely key here. Grab your 18-digit property parcel number. Think of this as your property's unique fingerprint in the county records. You're also going to need your current tax statement and your payment method. Oh, and a quick tech tip. Make sure you're using a modern browser like Chrome or Firefox. You definitely want to avoid Internet Explorer to prevent any frustrating payment failures.
Now, take a really close look at your tax bill. Do you see the exact phrase, "for informational purposes only"? If that's on there, your property taxes are actually being handled through an escrow account. That just means your mortgage company pays this on your behalf, so you literally do not need to pay this online yourself, unless you happen to be paying off your mortgage this year.
Okay, let's move right along to Section 2, navigating the online portal and finding the correct system.
When you pull up the Tippecanoe County Treasurer's website, whatever you do, don't just start clicking randomly. Scroll down until you spot this exact beacon logo. Beacon is the official geographic information system and payment platform for the county. Clicking this specific button guarantees that you are securely tied directly into the local assessment and tax database.
Actually, let me pause right here for a really important warning. It is highly recommended that you only use the official Beacon link. You might see third-party billing sites out there like Doxo, but they are totally unaffiliated and definitely not endorsed by the county treasurer. Using them could slap you with extra merchant fees and cause major payment delays. And if those delays push your funds past the deadline, you are the one on the hook for the late penalties. Always stick to Beacon.
Awesome! Section 3, making your payment securely using value payment systems. Let's see how this actually works.
The workflow here is beautifully simple. First, search for your property on the Beacon portal using your name, address, or that 18-digit parcel number we grabbed earlier. Second, view your active tax balance to verify the amount. Third, when you choose to pay, Beacon will automatically redirect you to a secure processing platform called Value Payment Systems. And finally, just submit your financial details on their site.
Now you might be wondering about fees. Because the county doesn't use taxpayer dollars to cover the operational costs of this digital system, there are non-refundable convenience fees. A credit card has a 2.5% fee, and debit cards are a flat $3.95. But here is a massive pro tip. An e-check is a flat fee of just $1 single. Grabbing your checking routing number is absolutely the most cost-effective way to get this done.
2 to 5. I really want you to keep those numbers in your head. Why? Because online payments take 2 to 5 business days to fully process and post to the county ledgers. Even though your credit card gets authorized instantly, the actual clearing process takes a few days. You definitely need to account for this buffer time, especially when deadlines are sneaking up on you.
And speaking of that, let's jump right into Section 4, deadlines and late penalties. Timing is quite literally everything here.
Property taxes in Tippecanoe County are generally split up into 2 installments. So, for the 2026 tax year, you need to circle May 11th on your calendar for the spring installment and November 10th for the fall installment. As long as you hit submit by midnight Eastern Standard Time on those exact due dates, your online payment is officially considered on time.
But here is exactly why being on time is such a big deal. Missing that deadline by even one single day triggers an immediate financial penalty under Indiana law. If you pay within 30 days of the deadline and your record is clean, you get hit with a 5% penalty. But wait, that jumps to a staggering 10% if you wait more than a month, or if you already have older unpaid balances on the property. Please do not give away your hard-earned money to late fees.
All right, we are in the home stretch with Section 5, tips, FAQs, and help to avoid common pitfalls.
First up, watch out for bounced payments. You need to be absolutely sure the funds are sitting in your account before clicking submit. If an online payment gets returned, maybe due to insufficient funds or even a mistyped routing number, the total amount is removed from your parcel immediately, and a steep fee of $27.50 is charged to your account. Yikes!
To keep everything running smoothly year after year, here are a few best practices. We highly recommend signing up for official county digital reminders at tippecanoe.in.gov/list.aspx. Now, here's a really funny quirk in the system. If you are somehow still rocking an AOL email address, you actually need to opt for text reminders instead, due to some funky server issues. And lastly, always save your digital payment confirmation receipt. It's your ultimate proof that you did everything right.
We also get this question all the time. What if I think my tax bill is wrong? Remember, property taxes are based on the assessed value of your property. If you spot a discrepancy or feel your 2026 assessment is incorrect, you can literally file a Form 130 appeal completely online through the assessor's portal. Just remember, you've got to act fast. The deadline for this is June 15, 2026.
Ultimately, taking a few minutes to pay online is simply the fastest, easiest way to handle your property taxes. You take control from the comfort of your couch, your funds are tracked securely, and you completely eliminate the stress of mail delays or rushing downtown before the treasurer's office locks their doors at 4:30.
Please leave any general questions you have in the comments below. Note, this explainer provides general guidance and is intended for informational purposes only. For specific inquiries or issues, please consult with the Tippecanoe County Treasurer's Office or a qualified professional. Before you go, ask yourself this. Are you paying more than your fair share just because you haven't checked your property's assessed value lately? Take control of your local taxes today and keep learning.